Play is the ultimate cheat code to create an optimum childhood and a childhood of abundance and growth. And it is essential also to build those basic life skills that children can develop during their childhood. It is so important. And how does that really help? If I may come to you, you are with the NID and you have created some amazing, wonderful toys also that help children learn. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
I think play is a part of our culture. Like Indian culture, we see that a lot of our festivals are very intricately, related with play and the play experience. And we also find that children don't need to be taught how to play. That is something which is an inbuilt ability. Yeah, and children, when they play, they are learning on their own. Play and learn is also very closely knit with each other. So when we design toys, when we design games, when we design, outdoor play experiences, we try to look into the nature, the culture, and how it can be contextualized to our Indian environment and the way children are living and growing over here.
So I also want to ask you, Gayatri, what is the role that design plays here in joyful learning? And what kind of thought goes into creating those, the crafts and spaces which will help inspire children to learn or playfully teach them something?
So when we look at play and learning in design, we try to look at it in a more holistic way, that you not only look at it as, we have games which teach mathematics, we have games which teach geography, but more importantly, we want to look at play as a way of developing the overall abilities of a child. Yeah, so if they are playing outdoor, if we make outdoor play equipment, it enables the child to develop the physical, physically, right? Games often also help develop a child socially. They engage with each other. So you have competitive play, you have cooperative play. And how do you use game as a means for socializing? Mm-hmm. Games also teach children to win, but they also teach children to lose, which is very important. That you need
it is so important.
You need to get used to that as well.
Especially in today's time when everyone is just so focused on winning, it is so important to teach them that it's okay to lose. And to, like we say, the sportsmanship spirit, that's what they can learn through this. Yeah? Tell us a little more about that. The National Education Policy also recommends toy-based learning, right? Toy-based pedagogy. And you were a part of that expert committee.
So I have been a part of the expert committee in, introducing creativity and design in education, and also in introducing toy-based pedagogy. And it's very important, and it's very good to know that at a policy level also there is a lot of thought which is going into, how do we make joyful learning a part of experience for all children. स्कूल में होने से ये बात होती है कि घर पे तो बच्चे खेलते ही हैं, बट स्कूल में सभी बच्चों को ये मौका मिलता है. और टीचर्स अगर सेंसिटाइज हो जाए इस बात से कि जो भी सिखा रहे हैं उसमें जॉय होना चाहिए, मज़े से सीखे बच्चे, एक्सपीरियंशियली सीखे, एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग से सीखे, तो चिल्ड्रन विल स्टार्ट एंजॉइंग इट.